Hey guys, welcome back to Handmade Home. I'm Hester. Today I have a very easy to make children's toy for you. I love a handmade gift, and especially a handmade toy. It's just so lovely that you make something and your child or your grandchild or your nephew or your niece or whoever child is plays with it. So I thought maybe I could come up with something very simple for you to make last minute for this holiday season. To make the fish, we're going to need felt. I'm using quite a thick felt. I normally would use this for making baskets or bags, but makes really nice fish as well. You could of course use a thinner felt as well. And we're going to draw out the shape of a fish. You can freehand this as well, but I'm just going to show you. It doesn't really show up, does it? So just do it with a Sharpie. Just roughly the shape of a fish, like so. And then let's cut this out. The fish needs a little paper clip on his nose, so it can actually attach to the rod later. Just slide on like this. These are really lovely copper paper clips. I picked them in Paper Chase ages ago. I got a whole pack of them. But yeah, any old paper clip will do. This will be fine, but unfortunately I have a toddler that loves to take things apart. So I'm just gonna stitch the paper clip to the fish so she can't take it off. I stitched on both sides, so that one's all nice and secure now. Another way of doing this, which takes a little bit more time but looks really nice, is you stitch on your paper clip like this, so it sticks out a little bit. And then you're going to put an extra bit of felt, the same shape as the head of your fish. And you stitched it to it as well, so you can't see the paper clip at all. The paper clip is now attached, so it's going to put the other piece of felt on top. I'm gonna stitch this together. I'm using a blanket stitch. Blanket stitch means you go through both layers, and then you're gonna push your needle through the little loop and pull it tight. So you push through, and then your needle through the little hoop and pull tight. Now it's all nice and stitched together. It's time to decorate. You can do this all different kind of ways. If you're really good in embroidery, got a bit of time off your hands, it's beautiful to embroider nice patterns on the fish. I'm just going to do it with a Sharpie. So with a black Sharpie, I'm just going to give him an eye. Let's give him a mouth. And then you can decorate him as you like. The most simplest is just to draw on little lines like this. When you come to the tail, it's going to get little stripes like that. But you can do this all different kind of ways. As you see, I'm with a grumpy fish with a bit of pattern. He's got a bit of dots as well. What's also very nice, out of colored felt, you can cut little shapes like this and then stitch them to the fish. You get a nice little colorful 3D effect. Just decorate any way you like. To make the rod, you need a thin piece of round timber. I'm using a knitting needle, so I don't really knit anyway, so I can use those. You need a magnet with a little hole inside, like so. And a bit of embroidery thread. I went for pink because I think it's a nice bright color. You can use any kind of twine or rope. I just like using this bright colored embroidery thread. Just gonna stick it through your magnet and tie it in place. As you can see, my fingers are nicely decorated with Sharpie. Let's do a double knot here. And then I'm gonna go through the magnet again. Maybe twice. Just want to make sure this is super secure and your child can't take it off. Stick it through again and double knot it in place again. Then you're going to take a length of roughly 30 centimeters. Here. And tie this to your rod, knitting needle, dowel, if you have a bit of bamboo and knot this securely in place. If you think your rod might be a bit too long, the string, just wrap it around the dowel a few times and knot in place there. I'm coming to help, Kiki. Helper. There you go, fishing rod done. And Kiki is stealing it. Oh my god, how cute are these fishies! And they're so much fun to make, and as you can see, Kiki loves playing with them. Yeah, you can make it as difficult for yourself as you want, but just simply cutting the shape out of felt, sticking a paperclip on and decorate with a Sharpie takes minutes. You can make quite a nice little stash to give away as a gift. I must say, I do prefer the ones where you can't see the paperclip, so when it's completely stitched in. And if you have the talent, I'm okay in embroidery. I'm not amazing, but think of it embroidered all here with bright colors would be amazing. Or with felt, and then you can stitch or maybe hot glue all your shapes on. You can make it as difficult for yourself as you want. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Maybe share it on your social media and have a look at all the other videos here on the Handmade Home channel. I'll be back soon with a new video, and I really hope to see you then.
Mommy, fish. Mommy, fish.